Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into an MBNA account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in MBNA, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as mbna.ca. In my case, it's the second one. So tap on it. And now we are in the official website of MBNA. To log into your account, tap on this login. And here you need to provide a login credentials so that you can log into your account. So go ahead and provide your login name in the text field given for login name. Then provide your password in the text field given for password. You can click on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. You can also check this box that says remember me so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can reset it by tapping on this text that says forgot your login name or password. If you don't have account in MBNA, you can create one by tapping on this button, register now. And guys, we're almost there. To log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.